Hi, welcome. My name is Dagmara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I make videos for corporate women on fashion and luxury beauty and skincare products. Today, I wanted to talk about something that is probably one of my favorite subjects, and those are accessories. I think that with accessories, you can truly showcase your personality, and you can definitely make a boring outfit stand out and make it look a little more special and add that personal touch. One of my favorite things that I am glad that are coming back are brooches. Brooches and pins have been had been very popular in the 40s, and I feel like they're slowly coming back, slowly making a comeback to as a fashion staple. I have here one of my favorite pieces. This is a Chanel pin that I personally like brooches like this to add to a cardigan or the lapel of a blazer that appears kind of, I need something extra. So I like to pin this. A shirt like this, which is very basic in its cut, adding a little brooch to it, I think adds a personal touch and it lifts that outfit visually. The other thing that I love, if we're staying with jewelry, are earrings and rings. So I have here two pieces that were created by Tiffany's for the movie Gatsby. If you remember a few years back, it was a big movie with Leonardo DiCaprio, and one of the female leads was always wearing these beautiful pearl layers and layers of pearls. So this is the Schlumberger, I think, series. So I have the ring, and then I have these beautiful pearl earrings. I love these. These are my go-to when I need a little pick-me-up or just want to jazz up my visual, especially when I know that I'm going to be on a lot of Zoom calls. I think that adds a little bit more elegant touch. So I like these pieces a lot. Of course, I cannot talk about accessories without mentioning scarves. I love scarves. I think that there are some of the most versatile items that you can add to any outfit. Like I've mentioned before, they definitely help you jazz up something that it's a little boring. For example, a shirt like this that doesn't have any special details, no embellishments. So adding a scarf like this to the outfit right away elevates the look, makes it look a little bit more special, like you spend hours elaborating what it is that you're going to wear. Again, I like the more elegant, classic style, so this is not for everybody, but it's something that I enjoy. I always look to women like Audrey Hepburn or Lady Diana or Jackie Kennedy to how they styled their outfits. So what did they wear? How did they present themselves? They're fashion icons for a reason, and so I enjoy kind of going towards the styles that they were utilizing. The other thing that I want to mention are top handle bags. I think top handle bags are very ladylike, right? You can't really put a ton in there because obviously they're not super big. I have here two examples in two different sizes, two different shapes. Obviously, I love that they have a little bit of a strap so you can wear them on a shoulder. I prefer to wear them in a nook of my arm or again in my hand. I love this YSL bag because it's pretty roomy. I can put quite a bit of things here, from wallet to a ton of lipsticks, hand cream, sunglasses. So I love these a lot. And then I have this piece. It's a smaller bag. Obviously, it's a little bit more elegant piece. This is not like I still wear it every day, but it's not as everyday work type of bag as this one is. So that's another option. Again, top handle, and then also a little strap for your shoulder. And then the other things that I wanted to talk about that are not often considered accessories, but I feel like they round your outfit, and also they're very personal. So one is a good lipstick. So for example, this is the 721 from Guerlain. I talk about this in my last Guerlain kind of haul video. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. I like these type of wine nude rose colors. They fit with my skin tone or skin undertones. So I really love lipsticks. I think that they're more timeless, they're more grown up in their style. And then the other things that I think those are really personal are your scents. And so I talked about this one again in the same video. This is a Guerlain scent. This is the Bergamot Calabria. It's a very light citrus type of scent, but this is also eau de toilette. So I love applying this after the shower. It's very invigorating and fresh and kind of wake up type of scent. But then I like layering this with something heavier. And this is an older Guerlain scent that I've had. This is the Masque Noble, also from Guerlain. I love how beautiful these bottles are, right? The attention to detail is amazing. This little honeycomb detail here. So this is a heavier scent. I call this the rich auntie scent because it has like that musk, very grown up, kind of woodsy, oudy, musky smell. So I love this a lot. And of course, because the scents are layered, right? You have a top note and bottom note and medium note. So throughout the day, they change the scent. They change how they present themselves on your skin. So I really enjoy this. If you can find it anywhere, I'm not sure if this was like a limited edition. I actually purchased this at the Orlando Epcot in the Paris or in the French section. So if you have a chance to find it, please, I invite you to test out this scent. Well, I hope you enjoyed. This is all that I've had for today on accessories. I hope you enjoyed this video and I see you in my next one. Thanks.